Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Muibi Abdul Rahim. My matrix number DN2051. So today, I'm with my final year project, my device, or I would say prototype. Bear with me, the name is a little bit long. So it is an IoT-based monkey deterrent for plantation with surveillance system, a method for damage control done by monkeys in plantation. The name is long, but all in all, it is basically a monkey deterrent system with surveillance using an audio deterrent method, which is I'll be using dog barks. Alright, so a little bit about my device. As you can see here, this is the I2C OLED. It is to display the current Wi-Fi connected and the password, and also the ESP32 camera link or URL link, because as we all know, ESP32 is a web-based streaming. It is connected to the Blink app. I will show you the interface later on, but I'll just give a run through of my prototype. So this is the button for Wi-Fi reset. This small notch is the ESP32, and this one is the PIR motion sensor. So fitted into this device are 6 dog barks that is amounted to 7 minutes. Each of the dog barks are in a manner of in a alert, or you would say in an angry state, because all of the dog barks that I've fitted into the device, it is based on a breed of dogs that are meant for security or something like that, such as the Doberman, the German Shepherd, and the Bull Mastiff. So all of the you would say the species are meant for security, and it is commonly used in plantations, etc. So I'll give a little bit of demonstration about the sound. But as you can see here, first of all, when there's a motion detected, it will show blink notification. Alright, okay, just click on here, and then I'll show a more clearer interface about my project. Alright, right now this is the dog bark. Okay, I'll slow it down a little. Alright, for the dog barks, it will run in a cycle of it will run through all the cycle at 3 minutes, something like that. And then in the Blink app, as the user, you are able to control the volume, as I mentioned, as I did just now. As you can see here, I've already turned down the volume, and now I've increased it back. Okay, and in the interface itself, I'll pop it up in my video after this. It is at minimum 45 seconds and maximum at 600 seconds, or in other words 10 minutes. So when the cycle is done, for example, the user chose 45 seconds as the minimum timer. So after the cycle of all the bugs is done, after 45 seconds, it will repeat back all of the sound again, and it just goes on continuously.
Alright, so we'll be moving on to the next part of the presentation, where I will explain a little bit more about the UI for my application using the Blink IoT app. Alright, so as you can see here, hold on, let me take out this. Alright, this is the notification part of the app, where when there's a motion detected by the PIR motion sensor, it will prompt out to send a notification into the user's phone via the Blink app, and then it will prompt out like this. So as a user, you just click it on, and then it will guide you. It will not guide you, it will lead you to the app itself. And then, as an example, this is the camera stream that it will pop up for the user. And then this is the auto timer, the music on off, or the manual part. This is the timer bar, and this is the volume bar. So as a user, you are able to modify how long you want the delay to be after the cycle has ended, like I mentioned just now. So the minimum is 45 and the maximum is 600 seconds or 10 minutes. So after the cycle has ended, the number which is in the middle, 0 or 104, it is not only 104, but based on the timer itself, it will uh, the number will increase up until to the targeted timer. As example, if I put the timer at 45 seconds, the number will be in ascending order. Up until 45 seconds, it will um, prompt the timer and then it will reset back. So that is only functional when the user uses the auto mode, which is this one. Or the user itself, if you don't want to make it repeatedly, just turn on the manual audio music off on. So as a point of reference, my project um, it differs from other project because most project, like from my literature review, all of them don't provide visual surveillance like what I'm doing right now, because they only use PIR motion sensor, they only use motion sense like infrared motion sensor. So from my part of the project, I provide proper visual surveillance, even though using the ASP32 is not very clear, but there's a point of improvements here and there. So I think that's all from me. My name is Abdul Mu'in bin Abdul Rahim. My advisor, Dr. Muhammad Shamian bin Zainal. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you so much.